I'm Steve, I'm a writer and an actor, and I came to see Dr. Rawnsley about hair restoration. I was interested because it's something that's not inevitable anymore for a man to lose his hair. And if you look at pictures of myself when I see what I looked like maybe 5 or 6 years ago, and I look at what I look like now, there's not a lot of difference, but there is enough of a difference in the way my hair looks that it concerned me. And it just made me feel like, let me see if I can do something about this. I met with Dr. Rawnsley, and he explained this is a very, very simple procedure, and it's something that's easy, quick, and provides fantastic results. The way he explained this is it's really where medicine meets art, and Dr. Rawnsley clearly is an artist, because you have to be when you look at this. It's not a question of just putting in, hair. Dr. Rawnsley looks at where the hair should go, how it should fit, and what you should look like, what an appropriate hairline should be for you at your age if you had a healthy hairline to begin with. What I'd like to see out of this is just a hairline that looks similar to what my hair used to look like, obviously not when I was 20, because that wouldn't look natural and it would look, odd, but what it looked like maybe 5 or 6 years ago. Anything that you can do to make yourself feel better about yourself, you should do. Somebody that had this procedure done with Dr. Rawnsley once described it this way. He said, before I used to position my hair. I used to make sure my hair was positioned well. Now I just go out, or I just ruffle it, and it doesn't matter. I know if I ruffle my hair, it can look really thin through there, and I'm trying to avoid that. And so, I push it down and I do all these things with it. And I don't want to have to worry about things like that. I just want to forget it, go about my business, and know that it looks great. And I feel that I'll be able to do that after doing this. So 10 months ago, I had hair restoration surgery with Dr. Rawnsley, and I am so happy with the results. People that I haven't told don't even notice it. I've gotten, have you lost weight? I've gotten, did you get a haircut? I've gotten all sorts of different things. But there's been nobody that has gone, oh my God, you did, except my hairstylist. My hairstylist came, when I was on the set of something, came and looked and just looked at me for a second and said, you've done something wonderful. And I feel like I have. I just feel like it was a terrific decision. In terms of the recovery after the surgery, I think mine was fairly easy. Maybe everybody's is, I don't know. But in my particular case, it was just a little bit of a headache the first night. I had to keep your head elevated. I took a couple of Tylenol. I had lots of other pain medication that was prescribed by Dr. Rawnsley. Didn't feel that I needed it. And after that week, really, that's it. I mean, when I had this procedure done, it was just before Christmas, and by New Year's, I was at parties. When I look at myself in the mirror now, I don't look at something that's receding. I just see, a whole bunch of hair, and I can mess with it. I can not mess with it. It doesn't matter. It's not something that concerns me. It's not something I have to think about, oh, so I position this way or that way. It just goes where it's supposed to go. It's good business to look good, no matter what your business is. And this was a great help. I mean, this makes all the difference. To summarize the whole thing, I'm just incredibly happy with the hair restoration done by Dr. Rawnsley. I think that it was a fantastic decision. I would recommend anybody do hair restoration that they're thinking about it. And I would definitely recommend Dr. Rawnsley be the one to do it. I just really couldn't be happier. It's been a great experience, top to bottom.